the Sonolit people, and Takuquan, or East Flood upriver people. Basically, the Auk people are from this side of the bridge, in the village site called Flounder at the base of the creek, and the Taku people are from the other side, called Where the Sun Rays Touch First, and Spirit Helper. Historical sources suggest some village sites on the Taku River and in the Juneau Douglas and Auk areas had been inhabited for well over 700 years. So the Auk tribe and the Taku tribe have lived harmoniously and shared villages in this area for centuries. Chief Cowie was the leader of the Auk people when they occupied a village on Auk Bay, about 13 miles northwest of downtown Juneau. There were seasonal festivals associated with the harvest of herring during the spawning season. They then moved to another traditional Auk village site, founded by Tlingit ancestors, in the heart of downtown Juneau, is known today as the Juneau Indian Village. Prospectors Richard Harris and Joe Juneau were sent to the Auk region by George Pills, a businessman and mining engineer from Sitka. After trading much of their grubstake for home glue, they returned to Pills empty-handed, but were promptly sent back to try again. In 1880, Chief Cowie revealed to Juneau and Harris the presence of gold in Silver Bow's Basin Gold Creek, after which Juneau was founded in the same year. After the discovery of gold in the area, Harris and Juneau carried approximately 1,000 pounds of gold or back to Sitka for their investor, George Pills. The Juneau Gold Rush of 1880 resulted in some of the largest gold mines in the world, including the Treadwell mines on Douglas Island. Mayflower Island, across from the Douglas Indian Village, was a traditional subsistence site which yielded a once healthy herring run and spawn for tribal inhabitants.
Expensive cruise lines here, Celebrity Cruises, Silver Sea Cruise Line, and Oceana in the distance.
Built their homes in the Juneau Indian Village. Traditional use campsites were located south of downtown Juneau, on the shores of what is now Fame Road. Tribal members also spent summers at numerous fishing camps on the Taku River. The settlement founded by Juneau and Harris was originally called Harrisburg and later Rockwell. Miners often use both names in their records.
Now, are we going to stop short like we did coming up, or are we going to go all the way in this time?
Alright, you guys gonna exit out these doors in front